I see right now the guys are on lunch, but we got a coat on the floor. This isn't the actual final color. This is some leftover Kong that we had that we brought in to do crack filling, basically, to rebuild the surfaces here, all the hairlines. So we're taking and we're smashing that elastomer into the cracks. You can kind of think of this as a primer coat, but it's just our coating in a different color, some leftover that we had, and then we'll come back over top of it with the finished color, which is the Tennessee cabin. We basically have a coat on all the outside of the deck system. It needs another, and then we'll come in and swamp the floor of this deck system, swamp everything that's flat on it with more resurfacing. You can kind of see the two different colors there. But we're working. Lunchtime right now. There's wood everywhere. These are basically rails that are going to end up here. They're already cut and placed to where they go. All new rail cap boards here on this project. There's the American flag. Pretty.